The jar and the rocks. One day, a philosophy professor walked into his classroom carrying a large empty jar and a bag of big rocks. He placed the jar on the table and carefully put the big rocks inside, one by one, until no more could fit. Then he asked the class, "Is the jar full?" The students answered in unison, "Yes." The professor smiled, then took out a bag of small pebbles and poured them into the jar. He gently shook it so the pebbles filled the spaces between the big rocks. He asked again, "Is it full now?" This time, the students responded a bit more cautiously. "Probably yes." He nodded, then brought out a bag of sand. He poured the sand into the jar, letting it fill the remaining gaps. He asked once more, "Now is it full?" The class laughed and said, "Yes, definitely full." Finally, he took out a cup of coffee and poured it into the jar. The coffee soaked into the sand and disappeared. The professor then said, "This jar represents your life. The big rocks are the most important things: your health, your family, your friends, and your passions. If you lose all the rest but still have these, your life is still full. The pebbles are other things that matter: your job, your house, your car. The sand is everything else, the small stuff, the everyday worries. If you fill the jar with sand first, there will be no room for the rocks or the pebbles." And the coffee. It reminds us that no matter how busy life gets, there's always room to enjoy a cup of coffee with someone you love.